Hey Norm, good job so far. There's just a couple of things I think we can change here. Not sure about this first fold. Uh, Maybe see if just stretch the whole first fold as just that background image of Jeff. Um, and maybe just change the colors of the headline here and this one. Maybe you can probably reduce this strictly for 10 people only. Um, Maybe have this headline here more central, like right in the middle. Make it a lot bigger. Strictly for 10 people only can go above it, and a lot smaller as a subheader above this one. And then that can just stay as is. 12 weeks to change your mindset, open your body and your life. Okay, cool. Can you capitalize that? So every word starts with a capital letter. Starts Sunday. Can you make this a button or a link to then scroll straight down to this section here? Again, make all these headers here. Just capitalize the first letter. Accountability, non-negotiable rituals. If we can make that look a little nicer rather than just like ticks like that, I don't know if there's some other images or icons that we can use in our ClickFunnels, but just try and make that look a little nicer and maybe center it. It looks a little bit off center there, or just make it a little bit narrower, that section. Again, just make that just capitalized, not all uppercase. Just capitalize the first word, a letter of each word. Can you center that? Maybe center all this text here. Again, make that a little bit bigger. Maybe split out this bit here. It can be on its own fold with different like color background, and then just break it up and then start this on another fold. Make that a little bit bigger, same size as that, and capitalize that. Make this all center align it. This could be another headline like that. So make sure all the headlines are the same size and they're all just capitalized, not uppercase, just the first letter. So now that can be a headline. And then maybe make this section a little bit bigger. Where do these go through to? So we'll just need to add that product in there. Breakthrough. Join the Breakthrough. Are you missing a word there? The Breakthrough Academy. So you need to add Academy into there. Join the Breakthrough Academy now. That's cool. It should be alright. Yeah, maybe just make a couple of those changes to the landing page. Just trying to make it a little bit nicer, a bit neater, maybe a little bit more graphics and images, and just make all those headlines the same and same size and the bullet points. Try and get on with that and let me know how you go. Thanks.